Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again. In this video we'll learn how to benchmark without using any external tool in your Windows 10 and 11 PC. So this is going to be quite simple, where you're going to run a few commands and that would be all. Okay, so first I'm taking you to the Windows 10 so that you can see what is the specification of this current computer. So if you can see, I am running with this CPU, memory, disk, could be SSD, Wi-Fi, GPU and all the details, including the internal and external graphics card. Okay, so you can see all the details here, but what if you want all the details in a single place using the benchmarking tool? For that you need to open command prompt, run it as administrator, and then you have to run a simple command, and that command would be like winsat, win set space pre-pop. And this is one of the best command which is included in your Windows PC, which comes along with the Windows implementation, which doesn't require any external tool to create a benchmark report. Okay, so here we have this benchmark running. You can see the CPU assessment, memory assessment and all the details are listed here. Similar to this, if we look over the Windows 11 and this device is not running with the external graphics card, I mean it has a internal graphics card which is integrated with the processor, but if you want to run this command, the same one like winsat prepop, it's not gonna run. Let me show you what is the actual thing. So if I run the same command, it doesn't have the external graphics card. So how to get the benchmarking results? For that you need to type this winsat and formal. Okay, and after that is going to give you all the benchmarking results. Okay, let me clean this. Let's type now winsat formal or mem to benchmark this memory, like what kind of speed your RAM has. I will list all the winsat commands in the description down below, so you can check out in a better way, and I will also include the website link. Okay, so to run the benchmarking, just type winsat formal and it's gonna run all the necessary benchmarking test, and then will list you all the details. Okay, so this is the way you can use in both Windows 10 and 11, including the graphics and including the integrated graphics card. So if the commands are not working in your system, you can run all of them one by one and get the results. Okay, so if you want a XML report, for that you need to type this directory in your run and it will take you over to this page. So you can watch out, you can read all the XML files and then you can get the details out of this. Okay, so that's how you can make it work, and I will list all the commands of winsat. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day guys. Bye bye.